Hello, everybody, and welcome to Crazy Country Couponers. And it's, well, glitch time again. We got a food glitch, and you know you want to know because, well, it is one really sweet deal. Guaranteed you're going to love it. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, well, this is, like I said, a super sweet deal. You're going to love it. Everybody, please give the video a thumbs up on your way in. Like, share, and subscribe if you're not one of our crazy friends. It's right below that red button. Go ahead and smash it now and hit the notifications and make sure it says all. And that way you will never miss any of our deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information like we're having right now. Hi, everybody. Blessings to everybody. While we're here, could you please leave me a comment and an emoji? And when those ad things come up, if you guys would watch them, oh my goodness, I would be so grateful. Thank you, thank you. So, let's talk about what's going on. Well, we got another little food glitch. Remember I told you, always clip your food coupons. Even if you don't think you're going to use them, clip your food coupons. And of course, always clip your store coupons. Even if you don't think you're going to use them, because you may use them. And always clip coupons that go way out. Like this coupon is good until November the 3rd. And this is an older coupon. So hopefully you clipped this. Because we've got a sale on some Oreo cookies. 2 for $8. And you know how sometimes that the computers don't read that the sale's going on until at the end? Well, that's what's going on with this now. So you're going to pick up 2 of the family size Oreo cookies. Now this will work on the vanilla or the goldens or the double stuff or the regular Oreos, family size. But you're going to pick up 2. And when you do, the computer's going to think you spent $9. Okay? But you're really only going to be spending $8. So this is what's going to happen. It is going to be 2 for $6 because of your coupon. And the deal that applied was the $2 off of the $9, okay? And then you've got an additional $1 coming off of that. Because of the sale, okay? So $3.50 actually is coming off, leaving you to pay $6 out of pocket or $3 a piece. Now that's a winner-winner chicken dinner kind of deal if you're doing kids' lunches or you just need some late-night snacks. And anytime we can save really good money on food, well, we like it. So there is your Oreo glitch and your daily deal for today. But stay tuned because we've got a video coming up with more glitches, free stuff, deals, yeah, almost a little bit of everything. Oh, wait a minute. We have those every day. Well, we got another one coming up. So stay tuned and come on back by and we'll save more money. Blessings.